The night train. It was nighttime on the Great Eastern Railway. All the engines except for Tom were in the sheds. Tom was taking the night train instead of Henry. It was hard work pulling the night train. The night train has to be a fast, not a slow one. Tom thought this would be very easy, but the other engines disagreed. Tom was coupled to the night train and was ready to go. At first, Tom struggled a bit. Then he got used to pulling the night train. Tom was getting faster and faster every minute. He was going up a steep hill. At the bottom of the hill was waiting a surprise. There were some trucks left on the tracks. Tom shouted, "I cannot stop! I cannot stop!" And he crashed into the trucks. Luckily, nobody was hurt, but Tom was covered in coal dust from funnel to footplate. The next morning, everyone was talking about Tom's accident. Tom was very embarrassed. He never wanted to pull a night train again. The next day, the Fat Controller came to Tom and said, "Tom, you will pull the night train tonight." "No, sir, I won't, sir," said Tom. "Yes, you will pull the night train, Tom. I am counting on you," said the Fat Controller. This night, Tom would be more careful. Tom is coupled to the night train and ready to go. This time, Tom finishes his journey without any accident. The next morning, the Fat Controller came to Tom and said, "I knew that you could do it, Tom." Tom was very pleased to hear this kind of news.